Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Verizon eSIM step by step. First, open the Settings app on your phone. In the search bar, type eSIM and tap Add eSIM or Set up eSIM from the options. Next, choose Use QR code, then scan the QR code that Verizon provided when you purchase or set up your plan. If you don't have a QR code, select Enter Details manually and fill in the required fields such as the SMDP plus address and activation code provided by Verizon. Once you've entered everything, tap Next and wait for your phone to finish the setup. This may take a few moments. And that's it. Your Verizon eSIM should now be active and ready to use. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.